Okay, to display XY data, just go to Add Data and choose the CSV file. In the table of contents, right-click and choose to display XY data. That opens the geoprocessing tool XY table to point. The input table is the CSV file that you've already clicked on. The output feature class is just the name of the data set, the name that you want to give the points when you're all done. So I would recommend using the browse folder and make sure that you're putting it in the right location with all of your other data. It might try and force it someplace else. I would call it like duck points, northern shoveler points, something like that. So that's just the name of the output that you're going to create. And then you have to deal with the X and Y field. So if you look in the attribute table, you'll see there's two sets of coordinates. There's banded latitude and longitude and recovery latitude and longitude. So you're going to run this tool 2 times. You're going to set up one data set using the longitude from the banded locations and the latitude from the banded locations. And then you need to tell Arc what coordinate system these belong to. WGS 1984 is pretty close. They're very similar, but let's do it right. So we'd go to North America under the Geographic Coordinate System folder, all the way down to USA and Territories, and then NAT 83. Run that. And it should plop up our points up in northern North America. That looks pretty good. Then we can run the geoprocessing tool again. But this time, we're going to, oh, I should have called this, my apologies, I should have called that duck points banded. So that was a mistake, but we'll call it recovered this time. And we'll call it, we'll use the coordinates recovery longitude and recovery latitude. 2 different coordinate pairs. North American datum of 1983 is correct. There we go. So we've got, I'm just changing these so they're a little bit brighter. Quite big, but the general idea. And then we've got our little dark green ones for where they were banded. Any questions, let me know.